Let's start chapter 2 of history for cities of India. This chapter is not that big, so we have like just four parts of it. The first part is characteristics of Harappan civilization. Roots of Harappan civilization are to be found in the pre-Harappan culture of Neolithic times. In first chapter we saw that Mesolithic के यहाँ से Neolithic में convert होता है और उसके बाद से civilization की beginning होती है. So the pre-Harappan culture of Neolithic times at Mehergarh and Balochistan, Pakistan, that is Togao culture, and another culture of Neolithic was pre-Harappan period is known as Ravi or Hakra culture. The Harappan civilization belongs to Bronze Age. There were three stages of Harappan civilization. First was early Harappan period, jab settlement just began, and the mature Harappan period and the late Harappan period where the decline happened. Cities like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Lothal, Dorivaram, and Akagiri are major cities of the Harappan civilization. So this is the total extent of the civilization of Sindhu or Harappa. This is Mohenjo-daro and this is Olivera, the important cities, and you can see that this is the Indus River. And all cities are located on the banks, that is fertile area of this. This is Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Satluj. ये सारा कश्मीर पार्ट में आता है. Okay. Main characteristics of Harappan cities. So plus or minus the cities, that is nearly like 200 of them that were present, all had certain features that linked them to the main Harappan culture as such. The first one was systematic town planning. The town was planned in a very modernized way. Baked bricks were used, houses, drainage system was present, public paths were present. Division of city was done into two or three parts. First, it was believed that only two parts are present, that is citadel and lower house, and later two more parts came into existence. But the number is not consistent in all of the cities. Some have two, some have three, and some have even four. Houses were made in grid pattern. What is grid pattern? This is grid pattern. So the roads are made in a channel where they make a 90-degree column so that the houses and settlement are made in the remaining parts of the city. Central administration was present, that is control over the resources, so for example water. Standardization of bricks in the ratio 1:2:4. Weights, that is the kg and liter values we have today, were made in the multiples of 8. The design of building was fixed, that for buildings of residence there was a different kind of design, and for a monarchical building there was a different kind of designs. Social organization, that is social hierarchy, that is class system, the Varna system, belief system, belief of gods, and Barya shows that there was belief in life after that. Economy, mass production of goods like pot, metal objects like ornaments and statues were also present. Concentration of factories was present, flourishing internal and distant trade. Harappa had major trade allies with Mesopotamia, and we'll see further that how it affected it overall. Use of developed writing system. The script on Harappan seal. Harappan seal, you can see it is like this in a rectangular form. There is a bull and something written on this side. Cities of Harappan civilization. We'll see like 5 major cities of the Harappan civilization. First one being the Harappa itself. It is situated on bank of Ravi in Pakistan, divided into two parts, citadel and the lower town. उसके बाद में जब investigation हुई, even 4 parts were found, that is factory and the quarters of the artisans. मतलब एक जगह पे factory थी, उसी के बगल में artisans का quarter था. आजू बाजू होकर that will increase the convenience. Harappa was first excavated in 1921. Next important city is Mohenjo-daro. You have also seen the movie of Hrithik Roshan, right? So this is the Great Bath, and in movie it is depicted something like this. So Mohenjo-daro was excavated by Raghuldas Banerjee. It is situated on the bank of Sindhu, now sadly in Pakistan. It is the biggest city and it has the impressive town planning and public administration system. Kalibangan, important urban center for Harappan civilization on the bank of Ghagra River in Rajasthan. Plot field of early Harappan period makes this site a special one. Series of 6 to 7 fire altars in the citadel. This also depicts that it is a possibility that fire was worshipped during that period of time. Next important city is Lothal. It is situated in Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat. Remains of Harappan dock excavated under S.R. Rao. Important Harappan port and trading center. The dock was built to facilitate entry of boats during high tide and exit during low tides. Matlab, you can imagine the level of intelligence those people used to have. Next is Dolivara. It was discovered by J.P. Joshi. Dam of baked होना चाहिए. Baked bricks and canal used to divert water. So this is the earliest evidence of water management system, ancient water management system. Next is Rakigiri on the banks of Chautang, Haryana, the largest Harappan site among all the sites from India and Pakistan. India Pakistan के दोनों area मिला के Rakigiri is the largest site. और only of India अगर पूछे तो what site it would be? Comment below. Human bones from Rakigiri were subject to genetic analysis to make sure that Harappans जो थे वो आर्यन के origin के थे या Dravidians के थे. That remains a mystery in itself. So the human bones from Rakigiri were taken for genetic analysis. First point done. 2.2 Interrelation between cities and villages. I think no question will be asked from here as such, but एक मोटा मोटा ये होना चाहिए, idea. The interrelationship between Harappan cities and villages was dependent on mechanisms of making available things like food grains and raw materials. There was a network of small towns, small and big villages, camp cities of semi-nomadic people, which functioned to cater the needs of major urban centers of Harappan civilization. The same we have now, that Pune and Mumbai are big hubs of trade and transport, and the cities situated on outskirts of it, वो छोटे छोटे सेंटर्स है जो वहाँ के रॉ मटेरियल्स को प्रोवाइड करते हैं. द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस इज हरप्पन सेटलमेंट ऑफ Sotangai in the Afghanistan region. This region is rich with the mines of Black Louis. There was a great demand for this semi-precious stone in Mesopotamia. Like there is a palace in Mesopotamia that was made of complete Black Louis from inside. Next is 2.3 Production, Trade and Organization and Administration. In the early phase of agriculture, making earthen pots, farming were jobs of women. तो ज़्यादा surplus नहीं था, इसको as a part time देखा जाता था. Use of bullocks, wheel and plough increased the production. That is barter system. ये दो और वो लो. It is actually unfair because there is no set or standard value of something. You can give like एक पोता rice दे के अगर आप एक golden coin ले रहे हो, so now you know the difference, right? During the mature or urban Harappan period, the sphere of commodity exchange expanded. Their import-export increased. Maximum our import and export was with Mesopotamia because they needed the raw materials that we have, and in exchange we used to get gold coins and stuff like that. Indigo necessary for dyeing of cloth. Like in Egypt, when the royalties dye, they are made mummy in a cloth of blue color. So because to dye it blue, you need indigo, and India, that is Harappan people, had indigo. So there was a lot of trade. It is clear that well-organized administrative system existed to manage the industrial production, import, export, and the interrelationship between cities managing trading operations and villages among them. Because अगर individual level पे काम हो तो इतना बड़ा level पे सारी चीज़ें करना, it is next to impossible. Because even now we have GIFT City in Gujarat. That is a proper urban urban hub that was pre-planned. So for this system to work, that is the rectangular, grid system forming of village, a lot of administration and pre-work is required, जो authority के बिना हो नहीं सकता. Last point is decline of the cities. Sir Wheeler on this basis concluded that the Vedic Aryan destroyed Harappan cities under the leadership of Indra, because इसको ये बोलते हैं ना पुरंदर, that is the battle of 10 kings, जहाँ पे आर्यंस ने द्रविडियंस को हराकर they invaded India. So this was earlier concept, but later it came into realization that the decline of Harappa was due to various factors. The first one being decline of trade with Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia में political clashes, climate change की वजह से the import and export of trades declined, and because of low demand in the market, even the Harappan trade was facing a decline. Climatic changes and deteriorating environment were the main reasons for decline of Harappan civilization. There were many earthquakes, there were many famines. So the agriculture and civilization, they had to, adjust according to the given climatic conditions, and that's why we saw a steady decline. The spread of this new culture is seen in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Malwa, and Maharashtra. New cultures were known as Chalcolithic cultures. So this was River Indus, and due to some reason, there was disturbance along the Ghagra river channel and the Saraswati channel, earthquake and famine. So people from there migrated, that is later Harappans, and they situated in smaller quantities here and there. So that led to the formation of Chalcolithic culture. So we'll continue this in next chapter.